Welcome to the ScaleB channel. Powered by Aras Innovator. Welcome to 𝗪𝗵𝘆 Essentials for SMBs, by ScaleB. A series designed to help small and mid-sized businesses simplify product lifecycle management. Today, we'll explore task management in Aras Innovator, and how it helps teams stay aligned, efficient, and in control. Most teams still manage tasks across spreadsheets, emails, and chat threads. Work gets lost, deadlines slip, and managers struggle to see what's on track. ScaleB provides solution to this problem through task management. Every task is traceable and visible in real time. ScaleB empowers users to manage their tasks with ease, giving them quick visibility into what requires their attention. Features like My Managed Items and My Owned Items make it simple to stay organized and in control. Tasks in ScaleB are created manually by users or managers. This ensures that each task is intentionally defined, clearly documented, and aligned with the project's needs. Each task includes everything a user needs: type, deadlines, priority, instructions, and linked information like projects and source meetings. This eliminates guesswork and keeps responsibilities clear. Users manage their work through My Owned Items and My Managed Items. My Managed Items, these are the items, parts, documents, change requests, tasks, projects, etc., for which you are assigned as the manager. If login user's name is selected in the manager field of an item, it automatically appears under My Managed Items. This allows you to quickly track everything you're responsible for overseeing. My Owned Items, these are items for which login user is the owner, typically the person who created the item. All items where your user is in the Owned By property will appear under My Owned Items. These views help users stay productive by giving quick access to the items they created or are directly responsible for. For visual task control, ScaleB offers a Kanban-style board. Teams can drag and drop tasks between stages, making it easy to visualize workflow and stay aligned. For managers, this view delivers real-time visibility into team workload, highlights bottlenecks instantly, and helps ensure tasks keep moving. It becomes a powerful tool for quick decisions, balanced assignments, and keeping the entire project flowing smoothly. To monitor progress at a glance, ScaleB offers a powerful KPI dashboard. Managers can quickly see what's on track, what's overdue, and where delays might occur. These real-time insights make it easy to plan ahead, rebalance workloads, and keep the entire project moving toward its targets with confidence. This video is brought to you by ScaleB, powered by Aras Innovator. Stay tuned for more insights, and discover how ScaleB connects people, processes, and priorities. Book a free demo today at scaleb.com.